Hi, my name is CodaGo, and in this video I am going to show you how to install Python in your PC or Mac. So, let's get started without any delay. Before installation of Python, you should check whether your Mac or PC have Python installed. To check if you have Python installed on a Windows PC, run the command python version. And same command is also for Linux and Mac users. So if the Python is already installed, then it will show the version of the Python which is installed in your PC or Mac. Now, if Python is not installed in your PC or Mac, then you can download it from this website. The link of the website is also given in the description. So, you can download it from there also. Now let's talk about Python execution. Python is an interpreted programming language. This means that as a developer you write Python files in a text editor like Visual Studio, Atom and many more. And then put those files into the Python interpreter to be executed. The command to run a Python file in a command line is Python, the name of the file with the .py extension. So let's write our first Python program named as hello-world.py, which can be done in any text editor. In the file we will write print, and then in the parenthesis we will write hello world within double quotation. We will go through print function in our upcoming lessons, but for now just keep in mind that print function is used to print something or display something on the screen. So, after writing your code, save your file with .py extension. Open your command line, navigate to the directory where you saved your file, and run the file by typing the command python hello-world.py. It will give the output as hello world on the screen. So, you wrote your first Python program successfully. Now let's learn something about Python command line. So, when we have to test a simple code in Python, we don't need to create a file for it. We can do it in the command line itself because Python can run in the command line. The command for Windows, Mac or Linux command line is only Python or Py. You just have to type Python or Py in the command line and it will start a Python editor. From there you can write any Python code, including our hello world program, which will give us hello world in the command line. And to get out of Python command line, enter exit function in the command line. That means exit and parenthesis. Don't worry, we will learn about functions and other stuffs in our upcoming lectures. Now let's recap. In this video we learned Python installation. We also wrote our first basic program in Python and learned about Python command line. And in the next video we will go through the syntax of Python and its basic rules. So for now, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye, see you in the next video.